Joe Matthews II,
solemnly swear
solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of California,
and the Constitution of the State of California,
and that I will well and faithfully
and that I will well and faithfully
discharge the duties
discharge the duties
of an attorney
of an attorney
and